Yo, what's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, click the bell, and turn on those notifications for me, all right? Look, so we got to talk about Ethereum ETF pending approvals coming up, guys. In particular, Grayscale, and this might be the last chance to go ahead and get in at what I still consider discount prices, okay, guys? Because once it gets approved, like I said, here in a couple of weeks, then we could probably see anywhere from up to a 90% jump in the price, okay? And this might be a good opportunity for a lot of people to go ahead and and make a lot of money. Especially if you're one of those people who've always wanted to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you've always felt like the price was way too high to get in. With these ETFs, you have access to those particular assets. But you can get in at a cheaper price. Okay, so we're going to talk about that, guys. Here's what to look out for with the Ethereum ETFs coming up in the future. All right, so Grayscale Investment announces record date and ex-distribution date for Grayscale Ethereum Trust shareholders. On July 8, 2024, Grayscale Investments, the world's largest crypto asset manager offering more than 20 crypto investment products, today announced that it has set a record date of July 18, 2024 for the initial creation and distribution of shares of Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust to shareholders of Grayscale Ethereum Trust. So basically, the Grayscale Ethereum Trust stock is what's going to turn into the ETFs once we get the final approval, guys. And you can trade these on the Moomoo investment app, guys. So if you want to go ahead and get in now, I'm not telling you what to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just giving you the information so you can make your own final decision. But it is trading on the Moomoo investment app. I'm going to have the link down in the description. So if you use my link, you're going to go ahead and get some free stocks plus 8.1% cash. 8.1% interest on your uninvested cash. Okay. But yeah, you can trade this on the Moomoo investment app. Now, it says here, Grayscale intends to list the Ether Trust on New York Stock Exchange Orca, subject to required regulatory approvals under the ticker symbol ETH. As part of the contemplated initial distribution, each holder of shares of the Ethereum as of 4 p.m. Eastern on the record date will be entitled to receive shares of the Ether Trust, a Delaware statutory trust sponsored by Grayscale, as described in a preliminary information statement on Schedule 14C, initially filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission on April 23, 2024, and most recently amended on July 8, 2024. The distribution date will be no sooner than July 19, 2024. So, according to this guy, so we can see an approval, we can actually see Ether ETFs trading on public exchanges as soon as July 19th, guys, which is next week. Okay, so that's something that we're going to look out for. Now, if you look right here, according to this article in MarketWatch, Ether could jump 90% following ETF approvals, even if the funds lack popularity of Bitcoin. Ether ETFs could arrive as soon as next week, according to Bloomberg News. Ether ETFs, which could arrive as soon as next week, are unlikely to see as much demand as their Bitcoin counterparts. However, they are still likely to drive Ether's price up by 90%. Now, crypto investors have been anxiously waiting the potential launch of Ether ETFs after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in May approved filings from the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and subsidiary exchange of CBOE, which requested rule changes that would allow them to list spot Ether ETFs. The SEC still must approve registration statements from the potential issuers before the products can be offered to the public. But last month, SEC Chair Gary Gensler reportedly told U.S. lawmakers that Ether ETFs could arrive during the summer, while asset managers are optimistic that the products may be launched as soon as in mid-July, according to Bloomberg. Now, Andre Dragosh, head of research at crypto asset manager ETC Group, said, despite the fact that we expect significantly less net inflows from the Ether ETFs than Bitcoin ETFs, we think the price impact will be very significant because Ether has a higher sensitivity to ETP flows. He went on to say the liquidity of Ether is about half of that of Bitcoin. What that means is it takes less inflows of price impact for Ether versus Bitcoin. All right, guys. So currently, the price of the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, which is, like I said, what you can trade on the Moomoo app, is currently trading at $29.22. The Grayscale Bitcoin ETF, which has already been approved and is trading publicly on exchanges, is currently sitting at $51.45. So another thing that could help these ETFs, that could help jump these ETFs, is the inflation data, the CPI data that came out just recently. Inflation did fall 0.1% in June from the prior month, helping the case for lower rates. If you take a look here, guys, the Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee on Thursday said the details of the June consumer inflation report helped build his confidence that the price level is going back to the annual rate of inflation. I think this, he went on to say, I think this is what 2% looks like. goes to be told reporters at a round table at his regional bank. Okay, gang. Yeah, so that's just a few things for you guys to look out for as it pertains to these Ethereum ETFs. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Go ahead and go to my website, crazycryptocliff.com, guys, and I got some more exclusive content over there for you guys. Definitely join the Patreon. I'm going to have some exclusive videos and training videos, guys, on how to trade these option contracts and some more helpful things like that. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.